Three men were shouting angrily under a mango tree, and one of them was lying. But who was telling the truth, and who wanted to steal? Listen carefully, because this story shows how intelligence can reveal the truth in seconds. Tell me, what would you do if someone tried to take what belongs to you? One warm afternoon, Emperor Akbar was walking through his beautiful garden with Birbal. Suddenly, they heard loud voices. "Stop, that is my tree," a man cried. "No, it belongs to me," another shouted. A third man stood nearby, looking nervous. Akbar stepped forward. "Why are you fighting?" he asked. One man bowed and said, "Your Majesty, this mango tree is mine. I planted it many years ago." The second man quickly said, "He is lying. I take care of this tree every day." The third man stayed silent. Akbar looked at Birbal. Birbal's eyes sparkled. He had an idea. You are watching Talk Through Tales, where simple stories carry powerful truths. Birbal told the soldiers, "Guard this tree tonight. Someone may try to steal the mangoes." Then he secretly sent a message to each man. "The mango tree is in danger. Come quickly if you care about it." Late that night, the first man ran to the garden, breathing fast. "My tree must be safe," he said. After some time, the second man slowly walked in, yawning. "I came because I was cold," he said casually. The third man never came at all. The next morning, Birbal smiled. "The real owner is the first man," he announced. Only he showed true concern. A person protects what he truly loves. Akbar nodded in agreement. The liar lowered his head in shame, and justice was served. Moral of the story: actions speak louder than words. Before you claim something is yours, ask yourself, would you protect it at any cost? Tell me in the comments, who did you think was the real owner? And if you enjoy simple English stories that make you smarter, subscribe to Talk Through Tales, because the next story might teach you something unforgettable. See you in the next tale.